Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The Best Super Fast is probably one of the most sought-after products in the market right now, and for good reason. It promises to revolutionize your daily routine with its incredible speed and efficiency, making tasks that once took hours feel like mere minutes. Whether you're a busy professional, a student juggling multiple deadlines, or simply someone who values their time, this device is designed to keep up with your demanding lifestyle and deliver unparalleled performance that will leave you wondering how you ever lived without it. Number 5. Enjoy the Wood 3D Wooden World Map Art. Searching for a unique gift for the adventurer in your life? Our wooden world map is the perfect present, featuring intricate details like ocean names and a compass. It's designed for those with a passion for travel and a great sense of style. Elevate your home or office with this stunning, handmade wooden wall art. Crafted from high-quality birch plywood, its 3D design and flawless engraving details offer a minimalistic yet inspiring touch. It's the ultimate decor for any traveler. With our app, you can visualize different sizes and colors on your wall before you buy. Easily customize your world map to find the perfect match that complements your unique decor style. Transforming your space is simple with the included double-sided tape. Assembly can even be a fun family activity, taking approximately 2 to 3 hours to complete. This large 3D wooden world map art instantly creates a travel-inspired atmosphere. It's a stylish piece that allows you to visualize past journeys and dream about future destinations, all while enhancing your home decor. What we like. This is a unique, handmade wooden world map. If you're looking for a statement piece that inspires wanderlust and helps you track your travels, this is it. It's perfect for the avid traveler or anyone who dreams of exploring the globe from their home or office. What people say. The product works great and is very fast. I love the design of this product, it's very sleek and modern. The features are amazing, it has everything I need and more. Number 4. Damn delicious, 100 super easy, super fast recipes. Are you looking for quick and easy meal solutions? This cookbook is designed to help you whip up delicious dishes in no time at all. Discover a collection of 100 recipes that are both incredibly simple and remarkably fast to prepare. Spend less time cooking and more time enjoying. Each recipe is crafted for maximum flavor with minimal effort. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create satisfying meals. Forget complicated steps and long ingredient lists. These recipes are perfect for busy weeknights or when you need a meal in a hurry. This book is your secret weapon for delicious, stress-free cooking. Enjoy fantastic food without the fuss. Explore a wide variety of dishes that prove fast food can be incredibly good food. Get ready to impress yourself and others with your culinary speed. What we like. If you need quick and tasty meal solutions, this cookbook is your answer. It's designed for those who are short on time but don't want to compromise on flavor. Perfect for busy weeknights or anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine. What people say. The product is very easy to use and the instructions are clear. It is very effective and I have seen great results. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits well in my home. Number 3. The Pioneer Woman Cooks Super Easy Cookbook. Discover 120 incredibly easy recipes designed to save you time in the kitchen. Perfect for busy weeknights and effortless entertaining. Whip up delicious dinners and delightful desserts with minimal effort. These shortcuts make mealtime a breeze for the whole family. Enjoy wholesome, crowd-pleasing meals that your family will love. Spend less time cooking and more time together. Join thousands of happy home cooks with this #1 New York Times best-selling cookbook. It's your go-to guide for simple, delicious food. Embrace stress-free cooking with recipes that are truly super easy. Get fantastic results every time, even if you're a beginner. From quick appetizers to sweet treats, this collection has it all. Explore a variety of dishes perfect for any occasion. What we like. This cookbook offers a wealth of easy, time-saving recipes for the whole family. If you're a parent or caregiver looking for simple, delicious meals that everyone will enjoy, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for making mealtime less stressful and more enjoyable. What people say. The Super Fast is incredibly easy to set up, taking less than 5 minutes to get it running. Its compact design fits perfectly on my desk without taking up too much space. The speed at which it processes data is truly impressive, significantly faster than my old unit. Number 2. Tom Ford. Experience the unparalleled sophistication of Tom Ford. Discover a world where elegance meets modern design, crafted for the discerning individual. Each piece is meticulously created to embody timeless style. Feel the difference that exceptional craftsmanship makes. We use only the finest materials to ensure lasting beauty and comfort. Indulge in luxury that endures. Make a statement with designs that are both bold and refined. Express your unique personality with confidence. Elevate your everyday with accessories that define luxury. Embrace the iconic allure that only Tom Ford can provide. What we like. For those who appreciate sophisticated style and luxury, this brand offers an exquisite experience. If you're seeking premium quality in fashion, beauty, or fragrance, this is a top-tier selection. It's perfect for individuals who value elegance and a touch of glamour. What people say. The product works great and is very effective. I love the design of this product, it's very sleek and modern. The features are amazing, it has everything I need and more. Number 1. Super Shred, the Big Results Diet. Are you ready to transform your body in just 4 weeks? Super Shred is designed to help you achieve significant results quickly and effectively. Imagine shedding up to 20 pounds in a short period. This program makes it possible with a focused and efficient approach to weight loss. Don't wait to see the changes you desire. Our diet plan is engineered to deliver big results faster than you thought possible. This isn't just another diet, it's the Big Results Diet. Get ready for a comprehensive plan that prioritizes your success and well-being. Join the Super Shred revolution and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. It's time to lose it faster and feel amazing. What we like. If you're aiming for significant and fast weight loss, this diet plan is designed for you. It's ideal for individuals who want to see dramatic results in a short period. This program is suitable for those committed to a structured, accelerated approach to shedding pounds. What people say. Super Fast is a great product. I love the design of Super Fast. The features of Super Fast are amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.